Hi, this is Reinvent Ed, and welcome to Course Peaks, where each week we preview innovative online courses to showcase the stimulating learning experiences that await you in cyberspace if you just know where to look. Speaking of space, today we're previewing Excelsior University's NS-115, Introduction to Astronomy. Registering for this course is going to buy you a berth aboard the USS Kepler shuttle in an 8-week tour of the cosmos. As fate would have it, the latest batch of students is just about to blast off, so let's tap into the shuttle's live feed.
Welcome aboard the USS Kepler, your cruise ship to the stars. I just received word that all systems are go. Everyone should be strapped in and ready for launch. I know you likely have some of those first flight jitters, so I'm just going to talk us through the launch, all commercial pilot-like. So our first challenge will be to blast off from our home planet and enter orbit. To accomplish this, we'll need to achieve escape velocity, which by the way is about 25,000 miles per hour. Those quantitatively inclined might want to check out the escape velocity calculator shared in your briefing materials. Once we achieve orbit, we'll remain there for our first week while we test our instruments and ship engines. Then next week we'll leave the Earth's orbit and commence our survey of the solar system at large, before beginning to look at the major components of our home system in detail. Okay, here we go. Prepare for liftoff.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
As we ascend here, I would remind you that it is only because of the work of people such as Galileo, Kepler, and Newton that we are able to achieve our needed escape velocity. Without them, we wouldn't know how gravity works, and consequently would not know how much energy it takes to get a specific weight such as our USS Kepler into space. Alright, well there'll be plenty of time for talking and astronomical education. For now, let's just enjoy the view, as literally, there's nothing like it on Earth.
Once you leave the ground and start getting your space legs, you'll get to bond with your fellow astronauts and chief educational officer. And for those concerned about potentially malevolent AI, rest assured, NS-115 is an instructor-guided experience. You'll be asked to share your astronomical aspirations and the unique skills and talents you bring to the crew, whether that's your uncanny Captain Kirk impression or encyclopedic knowledge of Ursula Le Guin novels. Speaking of our Chief Educational Officer, they've designed a unique set of exploration materials for the mission that includes videos, simulations, websites, readings, and all kinds of awe-inducing cosmic photography. Thanks, NASA. And you can leave that wallet of yours back home in the glove compartment, as your text is 100% digital and 100% free. Each week we'll discuss astronomical phenomena, like the seasons, build up our cosmic vocab, demonstrate our factual prowess, and pause to reflect on just what it all means. There's even a team project where you and a few of your comrades will commandeer a research vehicle to investigate and report on an exoplanet of your choosing. And word has it, there are like 100 of those suckers in our universe alone. Well, that's it for this week in Excelsior University's NS-115. But remember, if your school's online offerings have you doubling down on the no-dose, Reinvent Ed is here for you.
Boring you ain't for me. Boring you ain't for me. Boring you ain't for me.